Browser open. Google search box lo Java download enter. Enter key press. Official link second section lo display oracle.com Java downloads Oracle India. Second link mouse left click. Oracle redirectory official page complete display. Mouse scroll down. Java SC Development Kit 24 downloads. Default JDK 24 select. Supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Present Windows setup. Third option Windows select. 3 options display. Third one x64 MSI installer. Third link mouse left click. Downloads section lo JDK-24 underscore Windows x64 underscore bin MSI file. Downloading process start. File size 205 MB. Wait and here few minutes until downloading process completing. Process completed. Next step installation setup process. First icon open download folder click. JDK24 file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Windows installer preparing to install. Folder minimize. Java TMSC Development Kit 24 64-bit setup window first button. Next click. Destination folder. Local disk C. Program files. Newly created folder Java. Subfolder JDK-24. Second button. Next click. SC Development Kit 24 window lo first button yes click. Status copying new files. Installation process start. Wait and here few seconds. After successfully installed display close button click. Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables enter. First option select. System properties window lo last one environment variables select. Second option system variables section lo path select. Second button edit click. File explorer document open. Left side this PC option select. First drive new volume C double click open. Third folder program files open. Java folder select open. JDK-24 folder select open. First folder bin open. Top section address bar lo mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option select copy. Folder minimize. First one new button click. Mouse right click paste. OK click. Path reselect. First button new click. Variable home enter the name Java underscore home enter. Variable value second box mouse left click and right click paste select. OK click and OK click. Windows search box CMD type. First option command prompt select. Java text command enter. Java space version. Enter key press. Latest Java 24 release date 2025 March 18. Installed location checking process. Second text command enter. Echo space percentage Java underscore home percentage. Enter key press. Installed application path display. Shell window close. Desktop mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel first one folder select. Keyboard lo delete key press. Any one file name enter. Enter key press. Folder open. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo text document select. Delete key press. Enter file name. Project file extension dot java. Enter key press. Top side view menu click. Last one show select. Fourth one file name extension select. Reselect text document, mouse right click. Third icon rename click. Extension remove. Enter key press. First button yes click. Reselect mouse right click. Second option open with select. First one notepad click. Enter Java simple code. File menu click. Save option select. Document minimize. Address bar type cmd. Enter key press. Newly created file location display. Enter here text document name Java C space. Enter file name project files dot extension Java. Enter key press. Converted class file display. Text command second one Java space file name project files dot extension Java. Enter key press. Output Chari Tech Info.